So last week, I said I was starting now, not Monday, not my birthday, now. Here's the real question. What actually changes? Every time I try to change my life, I go too big. Gym, 6 days a week. Perfect diet. Wake up at 5 a.m. And by week 2, I'm done. The problem wasn't discipline. It was a plan. I kept trying to become a different person overnight, but that's not how change works. So this time, I'm trying something different. Start small. Something so simple, can't hide from it. 7 days, that's it. If it works, next week we go better. Like even 1% better is cool. My first habit, eat healthy 3 days a week. Once I hit 3, I actually felt pretty proud. Said to myself, hey, nice fucking work. Then I thought, I could probably do more. Second habit, 2 workouts. Nothing crazy. Even if I just did for 5 minutes, that was cool. I ended up doing 3 that week. In the past, I'd go all out. Too much all at once. I want to get most of it done. And honestly, I started to dread it because I knew it was going to be hard, frustrating. And once I missed one thing, it was like a domino effect. I didn't even want to touch the rest. At the end of the day, I felt like a failure. But this time, it's different. When you're coming off doing nothing for a while, you don't need pressure. You need momentum. Get something small done. Feel good about it. Then you think, hey, I could probably do more. And when you do, you feel even better. That's when it clicked for me. I remember reading something. I can't remember exactly what it was, but it was a company. They gave their team smaller targets, not big ones, just small ones. And what ended up happening was they started beating the targets that they were given and then beating them again. Even small ones start to change how you see yourself. Because once you win, you want to win again. At the end of week 1, I sat down with a coffee and looked at the week in review. I actually did what I said I would do, and I did more than I planned. For the first time in a long time, I felt different. So week 2, we're planning for week 2. We improved just a little, enough to keep momentum going, but not so much that it feels like too much. Healthy eating. Well, we're going to go for 4 days now. Last time we aimed for 3, we actually did 5, cracking for 4. And I'm adding 2 habits. 5 minutes of stretching. Dang, man, at 48, my body needs it now. And 1 hour a day learning this YouTube thing. No pressure to be good. Just an hour of learning. That's it. That's when I realized something. Going all out was never the answer. It's the small wins, done consistently. That's what actually moves you forward. Hey, maybe you're starting again too. Good. Just don't try to become someone else overnight. Build quietly, step by step. The chief is built that way.